The example I always go to is I go to this example on product search. Okay, a few years ago, I wanted a new coffee maker, and um, I'm kind of a unique guy. Like I want something different, right? Like I'm not just gonna run over to Walmart, buy a coffee maker, and then like, a year and a half later, run over to Walmart and buy another coffee maker because that one crapped out. Like I want something different, unique. Problem is when you go looking for that stuff, what you start to learn with coffee makers is different, unique means tall glass pieces, and these things don't fit under a counter, like on your counter, but not below the cabinet, right? Which then makes me realize I need measurements so that I know how big your coffee maker is, so I know if it fits. And you, as the manufacturer, give me the size of the shipping box because that's what the factory in China supplies to you. So that's what you put into your metadata about the product, which then goes into every product feed as the size and dimension of the product. But I'm not putting your box under my cabinet.
Mm.
You can take 3 to 5 inches out of that for packing material. And so I need that data. And people don't do that. They don't write that way. Another problem that you find is people write for humans. We write emotionally. There's a lot of like trying to get a hook in there, right? Almost exclusively, these hooks are ignored by machine learning systems. They are not emotional. They are not nostalgic. They are not interested in feelings. They are interested in the facts. They are interested in objectivity. They are interested in a concurrence of opinions. So everybody loves it, everybody hates it, that type of thing. But that to them is just more data. They don't actually believe. You want an example of this, okay? Go to Amazon, go dive in on the reviews of a product that you want to buy, and read the AI overview that Amazon provides you, okay? Because they tell their AI, go through all the reviews, come back and tell us what it is.
Yep.
I would say 40, maybe 50% of the time, people love it because of its height, and other people complain about how tall it is. It's like 1, 2 in their summary because a lot of people complain about it and a lot of people like it. And you're sitting there going, this is useless because it's a data engine. It's just looking over a block of time, a block of occurrences, and saying, love, hate, both equal. Okay, I should put both of those in. Here you go. And then you, as the human, are looking at it going, you just gave me two pieces of information that contradict each other. What's the point of the overview? Like that's your reality. So when we really get down to it, look, creating content matters, still matters, will always matter. Who you're creating it for, you got to pay attention now. And to your point earlier, Matthew, you were kind of touching on this. Each one of these platforms behaves differently. They all value different things for different reasons. Yes. And the settings that they have across their systems, the weighting, and then the temperature. Okay. So weighting would be your left to right balancing, and then temperature is your vertical on that. And everything is moving at that same time. I can't do vertical and horizontal at the same time. Can't do it. But they're all moving in that at that same time, in real time, when it's being called. And you, as the writer, have to figure out how to create content that positions you to slide both of those to the maximum so that you will get included. And then congratulations, you've done something you don't even know you've done it, because how do you know if it's you they're talking about?
Well, when you said that, like what that made me think of is like, I saw a platform do this I thought it was a pretty good tactic. If you understood what the intent is what you're trying to do is in the long-term memory or in the like the operational heading, not just the prompt of the AI, the memory, to get your product in there. But their recommendations are going to be based on all their past searches, whatever it's remembered about that person. And so, whatever, like if you and I search the same thing, you're going to get a different answer than I, unless there's like no other choices in that category of what we're looking for.
So be careful with that, because there are examples of, in very defined niches with excellent content coverage, you will see similar things popping back.